Hello, my name is Nicole Wood, and I am a PGY3 resident within the Cleveland Clinic OBGYN residency program. Today, I will be presenting a poster entitled Simulation Bootcamp for Orientation of Incoming OBGYN Interns, a Weekly Progressive Model. A preclinical orientation for incoming residents, sometimes referred to as a bootcamp, has been proven across many studies to improve confidence and competence for new residents when initiating clinical duties. This is true across several specialties, including OBGYN, which is a procedurally and surgically focused field. Bootcamp sessions tend to include a variety of simulation-based activities orienting the resident to common procedural tasks they might encounter during their rotations. While a number of residency programs construct their bootcamps in an intensive session, where the residents will undergo 5 to 7 days of orientation followed by the start of their clinical duties, there is some evidence that a more longitudinally based model might be beneficial. In 2012, the Cleveland Clinic OBGYN residency program transitioned to a weekly progressive bootcamp model for its incoming PGY1 classes. The intention behind this model was to allow for new residents to be exposed to new procedures and methodology via simulation over a longer period of time, allowing for easier retention of knowledge and the ability to implement new learned skills in real time. The Cleveland Clinic OBGYN simulation-based intern bootcamp was built to cover basic surgical and procedural skills that would be essential to the function of incoming residents. Following the progressive model, this program was conducted over the course of 7 to 8 weekly sessions following the beginning of clinical activities. These sessions took place in 2 to 4 hour blocks during regularly scheduled resident didactics, allowing for protected time for both PGY1 residents and upper-level residents who were recruited to assist in teaching. Each session was led by different faculty members whose particular specialties lent themselves well to the topic of the session. Each session covered a different topic, as can be seen by the photos displayed. All sessions were interactive and simulation-based, and several included resident participation outside of the PGY1 class, including one session incorporating the entire residency cohort and one session which incorporated the CCF Akron OBGYN PGY1 residents. We found that this program was impactful in a number of ways. The program allowed for incoming PGY1 residents to retain knowledge and build upon that knowledge from week to week to establish a strong procedural foundation and immediately apply skills. It additionally oriented new residents to our various simulation resources and introduced them to staff in a low-stakes environment. The involvement of the intern class each week allowed for the class to build strong relationships with each other, and the involvement of upper-level residents as instructors assisted in building camaraderie between classes, in addition to building upon the teaching and mentoring skills of the upper-level residents. We have found this program to be well received within our residency classes, and plans are underway to obtain IRB approval and conduct survey-based data collection to assess program outcome measures quantitatively. It is our hope to be able to standardize these sessions and, following data collection, publish this work to assist in setting future educational benchmarks for residency programs nationally. Shown below are our references. Thank you, and we welcome any questions.